Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, especially from a price action perspective. You look down here at the volume. Volume wasn't too shabby either, a well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support to keep an eye on would be more of a near-term level, and that sits right here, right around $3.65. You can see this afternoon. The bears tried on several occasions to, kind of crash the price back through there, but that never happened. The bulls dug in, held strong, and that would definitely be the preferable area of support to hold. With that being said, when I say preferable, I don't mean that if the price falls below it, that implies the entire chart's broken or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a nice sign of power going forward. In the event the price cannot hold above that, next level to keep an eye on would be that pink line right there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200-period simple moving average. You can see earlier on in the day, price tried to push down through there, but it did a great job of acting as support before getting a nice follow through there. So keep an eye on these couple areas of support. More so a must-hold level would probably be down around the 330 mark. That reason just being, if the price were to break below 330 and then continue to sink to the downside, at that point in time, that would be putting the price literally essentially right back to where the price already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers seem to be hanging out, definitely up here right around the $3.92 mark, kind of random, so maybe we'll just call it $3.90. But you can see back here through the history of things, several times the price has gotten up around that area and can't quite push through it. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great way to start off the week. And now it's just a question of if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.